For this recipe we need 2 sweet potatoes. First wash them nicely, cut them on half and poke them with a fork front and back side. Sprinkle some olive oil and spread it nicely with a brush. Season them with spices. I used Italian herbs like dry basil, salt, pepper, asafoetida and red sweet paprika. Then bake it for about 30-35 minutes or until soft. Then prepare the cream by blending half a cup of cashews, almond milk until the cashews are covered. You can also use a cow milk. Then 2 tablespoons nutrition yeast, 1 teaspoon turmeric, some salt, pepper, and a good squeeze of lemon. Blend it nicely until smooth. Then cook some quinoa with salt and butter. I used less than half a cup of quinoa. Then while the quinoa is cooking, you wash and cut the kale and remove the stem in the middle because it is hard, and then cut in very small pieces. Sprinkle some olive oil and give a massage. Then cut some baby corn into small pieces, and in meantime the quinoa is cooked and the potatoes are baked. Soften a little bit the surface of the sweet potatoes and then garnish them with the kale, with the cooked quinoa, the baby corn, and pour over the creamy cashew sauce. Melt some butter in a hot pan, add fresh ginger and fry until golden. Add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix well. Then pour half a cup of your favorite tomato sauce and half a cup of heavy cream. Mix well. Then cut some fresh basil, add salt and pepper, and then the cooked pasta. Offer to Sri Krishna and enjoy. This is one of my favorite Indian dishes. Here I didn't use measurements. In graham flour, add some salt, turmeric, coriander powder, crush some ajwain seeds between your palms, add fresh coriander and some vegetables. I used grated carrots, spinach and finely chopped tomatoes. Then add some water, asafoetida, pepper, green chilies and olive oil. In hot pan on medium flame, cook them until well cooked on both sides. With this dinner offering, I decided to make this delicious and healthy sweet. I used first-class medjool dates. Remove the seeds and in a blender, blend until smooth 1 cup dates, 1 cup walnuts, half a cup coconut and vanilla. Make balls and roll them in coconut. For this recipe, I used 1 block of feta cheese, 100 grams of cherry tomatoes, 120 grams of frozen spinach, you can also use fresh, sprinkle some olive oil, add 120 grams of heavy cream, about half a teaspoon oregano, pepper, salt and red paprika powder. Bake it for 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, I cooked 150 grams of pasta. Then take the tray out of the oven after 20 minutes and mash the ingredients with a fork. Add about half a cup of the pasta water and the cooked pasta. Mix well. Offer and enjoy! Hare Krishna, Mahaprasadam ki jai, and see you soon again.